Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through your assignment for Language Arts Lesson 0203. We're going to go ahead and go into your Language Arts course, and you're going to scroll down under Module 2. We are looking at Lesson 0203, Main Ideas Exploring North America. Click on the blank page icon, it'll take you to the lesson. Just like I've always said in my videos, is you are going to want to make sure that you go through all of the pages of the lesson. This lesson is 13 pages long. You're going to want to make sure you go through all 13 pages to learn that content so that you are prepared for the end of module assessment. Your assignment, though, will be on the last page, page 13, under What is my assignment? And it says it's time to show what you know, complete and submit your main ideas and supporting details graphic organizer that you worked on in the lesson. Remember to use the text Exploring North America to complete this assignment. So, boys and girls, excuse me, like many of your ELA assignments, they are completed while you're doing the lesson. So by the time you get to this last page, page 13 of the lesson, if you're going through the lesson carefully, you'll already have this assignment completed. You're going to be completing this main ideas and supporting details graphic organizer using the story Exploring North America. And I'm going to pull up the graphic organizer here. It's a 2-page graphic organizer, so you're going to want to make sure you complete both pages. Page 1, you've got the title, the author, and the main topic. You've got your 2 main ideas with 3 supporting details each. The second page, which is also part of your assignment that you need to complete, is the 3rd main idea with 3 supporting details. So make sure you complete both pages. Now, in your lesson, as I said, you're going to work on completing this assignment while you're going through the lesson. You're obviously going to go through all pages of this lesson, and we're going to take a look at page 4 because page 4 is the lesson or the page on the lesson where this assignment begins. It talks about what main ideas and supporting details are. You can click on those words, and the definitions will come up for those words. It gives you a little equation of how to develop a main idea. It's your main topic plus what the text says about the topic. That's what equals your main idea. There's a video here that helps you goes over main idea. And there's a tips and tricks for finding the main idea graphic organizer here. This would be something that you might want to print out and have with you, maybe print it in, paste it into a notebook. This is a great resource for finding the main idea. Okay, then you've got some examples. You read this short little text, and it goes through how to find the main idea of that short little text. What's the main topic? What does the text say about the topic? What is the main idea? So you can go through those steps and see the answers. So make sure you go through these examples on page 4. Then when you get to page 5, it talks about finding the details that support the main idea. So again, it goes over an example. It has you read another section of Life in a Fort. You're looking at the main idea and highlighting supporting details. Gives you the answers here. So it gives you an example of what it looks like. So this page kind of gives you an example of what your assignment is going to look like. This one only has 2 main ideas, where your assignment is going to have 3 main ideas. But again, this is a great model to use while you're working on yours. That's on page 5. Page 6 is where you come across your assignment, Exploring North America. Gives you a tip, and then it's your try it. Print the main idea and supporting details graphic organizer, which is here, and it's also on the last page of the lesson. Read and annotate. Annotate just means to take notes on Exploring North America, identifying the main topic of the whole text, along with 3 main ideas and their supporting details. As you read, fill in the graphic organizer, and it says even to save the completed graphic organizer because you're going to turn it in. You've got the graphic organizer here, which is also, like I said, in the last page of the lesson. That 2-page assignment. And the text you're going to be using is on page 16 at the very bottom, Exploring North America. You're going to read all of these pages of the text. There's 12 pages. You've got your table of contents. So you're going to read all of these pages of the text, and then you're going to complete this main ideas and supporting details graphic organizer. Now, I'm going to get this started for you so that you can have a guide. So you would put the title, which was Exploring North America. Let me double check. Oops. Just want to make sure I get the title correct. Yes, Exploring North America. So that would be your title, and you would write that here. Exploring North America. Now you would write it out. It's just a little bit harder because I'm using a mouse instead of a pencil. Let's see if there was an author. Go back here. Yep, Lila Erickson with 2 S's or 2 K's. So I put her name here. Lila Erickson. I'll just put E for right now. And then your main topic. Well, you're obviously going to get this as you read, but your main topic is going to be European exploration of North America. European exploration. So the whole entire text, Exploring North America, is all about this main topic, European exploration of North America. Okay? And then, now that you've got the main topic, your job is going to be to get the 3 main ideas. Oh, let me erase that. Your job is to get the 3 main ideas. Main idea 1, main idea 2, main idea 3, and then the 3 supporting details for each. Okay, so this is where you're going to have to read through the text and find main ideas about European exploration of North America. When you are done with completing the rest of the chart, you're going to come back to Buzz. You'll go to the next activity tab. On your screen, you'll have a blue plus button that you can click and attach your work. Please let me know if you have any questions.